Okay. In this term, how many, in this topic, how many terms are there?
Three terms, sir.
Three terms. What is the first term?
Photo,
Photo is related to,
photon,
okay, and electric is related to,
electron,
and effect is related to,
ejection of electron.
okay.
Election of
So
electron.
from my side, actually the name of the topic should be photon, okay, electron ejection, okay.
Yes, sir.
From my side, the topic, if I would have been the member of the IUPAC, I would have told this topic as, okay, ejection of electron by photon, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, ejection. Okay, ejection means removing of electron with the help of photon. But you
Okay,
know,
sir.
in chemistry, they want to deal with very shortcut terms and all. So that's why they have written photoelectric effect, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it's our duty to understand what they are dealing in this topic. Okay, so let us start first with, electron, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, and ejection, meaning of ejection also. But
Yes, sir.
somewhere you are missing the meaning of
Photon.
photon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will start with photon.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what is actually photon?
Photon means like,
So photon is the smallest unit of light energy.
Let me tell you everything. Let me tell you. I have only started the topic, so I will only tell you everything. This is sun. Hello, children.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And from sun, okay, some sort of energy is coming to us, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this energy, okay, is coming
Yes.
in form of, yes, from today onwards you should remember everything. The energy coming from sun is in form of
Waves.
waves. uh, Energy is coming or transferring, okay, energy is in form
Wave.
of, yes, electro
Magnetic. Waves.
electromagnetic radiation you can call wave also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stylish name for waves is radiation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So if anybody asks you what type of energy is coming from sun, then what you will tell?
Electromagnetic radiation.
Yeah,
Electromagnetic in type of energy.
definitely it is a kind of energy, okay, and which travel in form of electromagnetic radiation. They don't require any medium to travel, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now because it is wave, no, so you should know important terms regarding waves. What are the important terms regarding the waves? Okay, so you should know, first of all, uh, velocity, it is denoted by capital C. Then you should know about frequency, okay, that is denoted as, what is this, which symbol it is?
Oh,
Which
no, sir.
huh?
New symbol, sir.
New, sir. New.
New,
New, sir.
okay,
Okay, sir.
this is new,
Yes, sir.
and this
And that
is new.
new, sir.
New.
And wavelength means lambda.
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 Then wave number,
Frequency.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between wave number and frequency?
Everything I will tell you, okay. So this is velocity, okay, frequency, and then wavelength, and then wave number, and quantum. Okay, quantum.
Little bit scroll up.
Yeah, write it. First of all, write it.
It is little.
Completed, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
What
the
is the
name of
definition of
What
photon?
is the name of topic?
Photoelectric effect.
Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric
Okay.
effect.
So what does it mean actually?
Photon, electron, and ejection of electron.
Electron of proton and electron.
when you write the topic, start from left to right, and when you want to tell about it, start
right
reading
to
from right to left. Ejection of electron with the help of what?
Photon.
Proton.
Yeah, photon.
Sir, what is the definition of photon, sir?
Yeah, that only we are coming now. What is photon? Before telling that, we required some sort of information
Knowledge.
that I am writing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Quantum, and we'll write photon also. Every photon is quantum, but every quantum is not photon. You will know everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So now,
What is quantum?
see, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you are finding, children? This energy is coming from sun to us. Suppose we are here. Okay. Is it coming continuously?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Continuously, right?
Yes, sir.
But this concept is wrong. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes. And how?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
this
why?
concept is wrong. When we go through in a micro level, okay,
Okay, sir.
it is seen from our what we say normal thinking and all. But when scientists enter into it, okay, so what they found, that this energy, okay, this energy, did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah,
No.
this energy is not coming continuously.
Broken
There is a
into
gap.
bits.
Yeah, it is coming in a discontinuous way.
Yes, sir.
Discontinuous way.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this feeling was given by a normal layman, and this was given by a scientist. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to whom you will believe?
Scientist.
Scientist.
Yeah.
Layman.
Okay. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who gave? Do you know the name of the scientist? Planck. Planck's
Constant.
quantum theory, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What did Planck say?
Don't know, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
ध्यान दे रहे हो?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
तो बोलते क्यों नहीं हो?
Yes, sir.
आप भी
Sir, my phone is disturbing. That is why the
Sir,
voice
Planck
is-
said that
प्लैंक्स ने क्या कहा?
that the sun rays doesn't come continuously. It comes in a discontinuous
Sir, the
way.
It
radiation
is coming in
not
discontinuous way.
continuous.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर इतना छोटा छोटा बात है, इसको बताते रहो मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
और जिसका ना आवाज आ रहा है वो अपने आप को बंद कर लो अपने आप। और जो डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है मेरे को चैट बॉक्स में डाल दो, उसको हमेशा के लिए
Thank you,
ब्लॉक कर।
sir.
राइट। चलिए, प्लैंक्स ने क्या कहा?
The sun rays are
Because
discontinuous.
That light comes discontinuously.
Light comes in a discontinuous way.
It is not coming,
In a continuous.
Continuously.
Continuous way.
it is not coming continuously. Okay. तो बाद
Yes,
में
Hello. Hello.
हेलो,
Hello, sir. Sir, I have a question.
हाँ बोलो।
So, why this waves come in discontinuous way?
हाँ, that only I will tell you, because these are not very heavy waves, no. They don't have mass. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Sir, if the wave had
Yes,
mass,
sir.
then it would be continuous.
Yeah, definitely, right.
Like sound waves.
So, okay, don't deviate the topic. Okay, they are not having mass. Okay, and they are traveling. So,
Sir,
the
sir.
हाँ,
Sir, is photon don't have mass?
hello.
Sir, photons don't have mass.
If it is not having, and if we want to know the mass, first we have to convert into particle nature. Okay, that we will consider, and that mass is very less. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so the particles which are having very less mass, okay, so they cannot show continuous nature. Okay.
Okay.
This is a very good big thing. We will discover everything. Today we want to
Sir.
discuss which topic?
Photoelectric effect.
Photoelectric effect. And we are just disclosing what are the findings till now.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, and then we will do the research work. Research work will take time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the findings I am telling?
Sir,
That
Okay, sir.
sir. Sir,
on
is
telling me.
nuclear reaction? Sir, is nuclear radiation is also a radiation?
That is radiation, but that is not electromagnetic radiation. We are discussing about electromagnetic radiation.
But it
Okay.
is a form of energy, no?
Yes.
But it is also a form of energy.
That is also a form of energy. Heat is also a form of energy. Electricity is also a form of energy. But every energy is not electromagnetic radiation.
Okay.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So today what kind of magnetic radiations we are discussing?
Sir, light.
Electromagnetic.
Light. And
Right.
that rays, that energy is in form of which radiation?
Electromagnetic
Electromagnetic radiation.
Electromagnetic radiation. In general way, what we find that it is coming
In a continuous way.
discontinuous way.
way.
But when research was done by Planck, what he told?
It's a discontinuous.
It was coming in discontinuous way.
Yes, it is coming in a discontinuous wave. Okay, he also uses another word. Okay, that energy is coming in form of, okay, small what? In form of,
Small packets.
yeah,
Small packet of
form
photons.
yeah,
Small packets.
energy is coming in form of
Small
packets.
packets.
Coming in form of packet. Okay, and one packet of energy
It's called quanta.
is called quantum. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
This one packet, okay, this one packet, did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is known as quantum.
So sir, these waves are one photon.
Okay, this packet of energy is known as
Quantum.
quantum. Okay, and when that packet quantum is related to light energy. Quantum is of light. Okay, it is also known as what? It is also known as photon.
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 It is also known as photon. Did you understand?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
one quantum is a light.
Yeah, means okay, every photon is a quantum, but every quantum is not photon.
Not photon.
Photon.
Okay.
Sir,
Hello.
Yes,
one
sir.
second, sir.
Yes sir.
What is quantum? Quantum is packet of energy.
Good of energy.
Okay. Every type of electromagnetic radiation we can use quantum. But photon we have to discuss only about light energy. Only about light energy, right?
So what is photon, sir?
Photon, see, packet of energy.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
sir.
packet of energy is known as what?
Quantum.
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 And photon is also a quantum.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But what is the special feature about photon?
It is the quantum of light.
It is a quantum of light.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you tell once again?
No, I cannot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, because you have to pay attention, no? If I again repeat it, means from next onwards you will not pay attention. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remaining student understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the topic?
Photoelectric effect.
So see, photo. Just we touched photon.
Yes, sir.
What is photon?
Small
Photon
packets of
is
energy,
Packet of?
Light.
energy.
light,
Packet of which energy?
light energy.
Light energy.
Light energy. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The energy coming from sun is in form of?
Discontinue wave.
Okay, it is in discontinuous form. Okay. Another important point.
It is an electromagnetic wave.
Electromagnetic radiation.
It is electromagnetic radiation. Can travel without
Can travel without a medium. It can travel without a medium.
Medium.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Who disclosed this idea?
Planck.
Planck.
Planck. What is quantum?
It's a
One
packet of
packet of
Packet of energy.
Okay. Then what is photon?
Packet of energy of light.
packet of energy of light.
Okay. So what is the difference between quantum and photon?
Quantum is
Quantum is a
applicable
group
for
of
any
photons.
energy.
It is equal.
It is not
Quantum
equal.
is applicable for every form of energy, and photon is applicable only for light energy.
Yeah. Quantum is applicable for any type of electromagnetic radiations.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
yes,
sir.
Any type of electromagnetic radiation means you should have some knowledge. Electromagnetic radiations are of various types. Cosmic radiations, okay, ultraviolet radiations, X-rays, radio waves, right?
yes, sir.
Infrared radiation.
Yeah, infrared. We will come to know. I will discuss all total electromagnetic radiation. But today my intention is to deal only photoelectric effect. So slowly we'll come to know each and everything. Next, children.
Okay, sir.
Next we will discuss the relation between all these term children, velocity, frequency. So now let me disclose each and everything. Velocity of all electromagnetic radiation is 3.0
3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
meter per second. Every electromagnetic radiation, children. And light is also a part of electromagnetic radiation.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
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 sir.
Next.
Okay, sir.
Next is frequency into lambda.
Equal to
Okay.
T.
Frequency into lambda is equal to what?
Speed of
C.
light.
Mm.
Okay, this equation you have to learn. Okay, frequency into lambda is equal to what?
T.
Speed of light.
Velocity.
Yeah. Read it. Frequency into lambda equal to
Velocity of light. Oh, sorry, velocity.
velocity of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, you can write it. Frequency into lambda equal to velocity of radiation, electromagnetic radiation.
Yes, sir.
Can you write like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Can you write like this? Frequency is equal to C by lambda.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
write like
Most
this?
familiar
Lambda is,
formula.
lambda is equal to C by frequency.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you write like this? Wave number. Wave number is equal to 1 by lambda. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is wave number?
Wave number.
Number of waves in 1
The
second.
mathematical relation is 1 by lambda. Okay. Actually, wave number means okay, number of
Waves.
number of wavelengths. Number of wavelengths. Okay, in unit distance. Okay, in per centimeter. Number of wavelength in 1 centimeter, right? Or in 1 meter. Okay, children.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you know wavelength actually? Actually, this is all about waves. Okay, children. This is the wave. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is one point from here to here to here. Okay, children. This is known as one cycle. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, we have read this in the physics chapter sound in class 9.
But you are not using that information properly. No, that's why I
And
have to
also
repeat.
CDF points in class 8
Yeah.
and 9.
So I know that you have this basic information, but you are not using. Some people are asking, what is wave number? What is wavelength? So I am giving you idea. So see,
Yes, sir.
from here to here, it is one cycle, children, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and see, from here to here, whatever the distance, no, it is known as
Yes,
wavelength.
wavelength.
Okay,
Wavelength.
wavelength. Wavelength. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And again, can you tell me from here to here? Again, it is another wavelength. Okay,
Another wavelength. Yes.
right, like this.
The
Okay.
wavelength will be same, huh?
Yes, wavelength will be same.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
is not wavelength is a distance between two waves?
It is the distance between.
Two waves like trough and trough. Distance between two troughs are wavelength.
Yeah. See, from this point to this point. Okay, this is known as wavelength. Okay.
Okay.
Either you can use This portion is known as what? Tell me.
Trough.
Trough.
Trough. This portion is known as.
Trough.
Hello.
Crest.
Crest, trough.
Crest.
This is known as crest.
Okay. So anyway, this is the beauty of this study. Either from distance from crest to crest, two consecutive crest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is known as lambda. Two consecutive trough, it is known as lambda, or two consecutive these points are known as lambda. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if the wave
Sir,
is
are
wave-
those wavelengths the same?
yes, for a
Yes.
particular wave, wherever you measure from trough to trough, crest to crest, point to point, you will get same value.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, shall I write only once?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write this. I am writing only once, and I am writing this only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, and this is known as wavelength. Tell me how many wavelengths are there from this point to this point?
Two.
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 Are there? Okay, and if we allow, okay, to pass this wave from this point, okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
and this waves completely travel, okay, start and move continuously in suppose in 1 second. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If this wave passes in 1 second, okay, so how many waves passes in 1 second? Tell me.
Two.
Two.
Two. Okay,
Yes, sir.
did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Two cycle we can write, two cycle in 1 second,
Yes, sir.
or
Yes,
two
sir.
wavelength in 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is known as, this information is known as frequency.
Yes. Frequency.
How many wavelength passed in 1 second is known as frequency.
Through a given point.
Through a given point. Okay. So we can write frequency is equal to what?
Two.
2 hertz.
Two.
2 hertz.
Cycle per second, CPS, right?
Yes, sir.
Frequency is equal to, we can write unit of frequency.
Hertz.
Hertz also.
Unit of frequency is per second, okay, or hertz, etc. Right?
Yes, sir.
What is frequency?
Number of waves per second.
Number of waves per second, right?
Second.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what is wavelength?
Distance between two
Between
waves.
Distance from
crest
two
and
troughs
trough.
and two crests.
Two consecutive trough or two consecutive crest,
Yes.
okay?
Crest.
Crest.
And what is wave number?
Number of wave
Number
passed
of
to a
movement
point.
waves plus
Number of wavelength per unit time.
See, suppose this is the, see children, suppose this is the distance is, suppose this distance is 1 meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello children,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
suppose this is the distance 1 meter,
sir.
okay? So if I ask you in 1 meter, how many waves are there? How many wavelengths are there?
One.
Two.
Hello?
Two.
Two.
There are two
Two.
waves.
So, so the answer that how many wavelengths in 1 meter? Okay. If you answer this question, the answer will be wave number. Okay, 2. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
2 per meter. 2 per meter. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me, if the wave number is 2 per meter, then can you tell me the wavelength value?
1 meter.
1 meter.
Really?
meter.
50,
Yes,
Yeah.
50 centimeters.
Total value is 1 meter.
Oh, it says 0.5 meter.
0.5.
50 centimeters.
0.5. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Because from here to
Yes,
here
sir.
it is 0.5. From here to here it is 0.5. Then only it is becoming 1 meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So to solve this that solve confusion, okay, to remove that confusion, I have given this formula. See? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can use this one. What is the wave number? 2 is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
1 by lambda. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then can you solve it for lambda value?
Half
Yes, sir.
Half.
sir.
Half means 0.5.
0.5.
Did you understand,
Yes.
children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you
Yes,
have
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Then wavelength equals to 1 by
Yeah,
wave number.
if you know wave number, okay, you can easily calculate lambda.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
if you
sir.
know lambda, you can easily calculate wave number.
Yes,
Okay?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And if you once know the lambda value, hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
you can easily calculate frequency.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the interesting point is that the C value always remains constant.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah. So if
Yes, sir.
frequency will increase, lambda will decrease.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Amplitude will increase.
Yeah. And next, one important point is energy of photon, okay, is directly proportional to frequency.
Okay.
Okay, children?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Energy
sir.
of a photon is directly proportional to frequency. Can we write like capital E?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is directly proportional to frequency. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Why we are calling energy? Because we know that energy is coming in form of radiations.
Yes, sir.
So definitely our main aim is to calculate the energy only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so energy is directly proportional to frequency. And if you want to remove this sign, proportionality sign, you have to use one constant.
Constant. And that is Planck constant.
And that is Planck's constant. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Why this constant is known as Planck's? Because he was only working, no?
He
He has
discovered
only
this.
discovered.
Yeah. So E means, what is E?
Energy.
Energy of
Energy
photon.
of
Photon.
quantum.
Okay, quantum of
And we
light.
can write photon also if it is light energy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And this
Yes,
is
sir.
known as Planck's
Planck
constant.
constant.
Do you know the value?
6.32 into 10 to the minus 34.
Joule
10 to
second.
the power
Okay.
34.
Please
Yes,
learn.
sir.
Please learn this value. First value. Okay. I will give you more value about Planck constant. What is the value of Planck's constant?
6.626
Six.
10 to the
Ten
power
to the power
minus
minus
54 joules per second.
Okay.
Joule second.
6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The Planck constant have different values, sir.
Means if you use this one
Constant.
is in erg and all calorie, then definitely this value will be changed. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is a constant. Its value will always remain constant. But when you change the unit, then the magnitude will be
Then the
different.
value changes.
Numerical value will be different.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this, children?
Frequency.
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 Frequency. What is the unit of frequency?
One
Cycles per
by
second.
second.
Hertz.
Per second, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you multiply, what will be the value coming? Joule second into per second, right?
Joule.
So second and per second will be cancelled or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you will get energy in form of joule, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So energy is directly proportional to frequency, and energy is equal to h nu, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is suppose energy is absorbed by us. How much energy we can absorb, children?
Don't.
N h nu, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Either we can absorb 1 packet or 2 packet or 3 packet. Okay.
But in
This
number
n
of
will be
packets.
n will be okay integral multiple.
So what is integral multiple?
Means its value will be either 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Okay, it can't be like this 1.25. No, 3.15. It cannot be available, right?
It should be whole number.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it should be whole number. Okay, children.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how much energy we can absorb?
N
H.
into HV.
N h nu.
NH new. Yeah.
Yeah, every time we have to apply for 1 packet or it's 2 packet, 3 packet. We cannot have any fractional packet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, in the classroom, how many students can be there?
1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 5, like this.
5.
Have you ever seen 10.5 students are there?
No,
हाँ,
sir.
sir.
नहीं,
No.
sir.
फ्रैक्शन नहीं होगा, ठीक है बेटा?
हाँ,
ठीक है।
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ओके। क्यों नहीं होगा, काहे नहीं होगा, ये सब हम लोग सर्च करेंगे, लेकिन अभी जो जो चीज पता चल चुका उसको जल्दी से यूज करो और आगे बढ़ो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, रिसर्च करने के लिए हम लोग के पास समय बचा हुआ है।
Okay,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, राइट। तो ये सब जितने भी फॉर्मूलाज आ रहे हैं, सोचिए सब पर क्वेश्चन बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सब पे
Yes, sir,
क्वेश्चन
बनेगा।
बनेगा, हम लोग बनाएंगे भी। ओके, तो अब हम लोग देखो आगे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सपोज दिस इज मेटल, ओके? हेलो,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा मेटल? जैसे सीजियम। हाँ ना, बोलते रहो बेटा।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सीजियम मेटल है। क्यों सीजियम मेटल का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं हम, बोलो तो? सीजियम मेटल, उसका जो आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी है
बहुत कम है।
Most
वेरी वेरी लेस, राइट?
electropositive.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Electropositive metal.
ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ओके। अब इसमें यहाँ पर सीजियम मटेरियल में एटम्स है कि नहीं?
Yes.
ओके।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, और एटम्स में आपको मालूम है इस तरह से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? तो सब में अंदर में न्यूक्लियस है और न्यूक्लियस के बाहर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, ओके?
Yes,
इस
sir.
तरह
Yes,
से
sir.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है। मैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को इस तरह से दिखा देता हूँ। ओके चिल्ड्रन,
Yes, sir.
सीजियम से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना आसान है या मुश्किल?
मुश्किल।
आसान।
आसान।
आसान है बेटा, आसान, क्योंकि उसका आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी बहुत कम होता है।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अब सोचो यहाँ से आपके पास सन है, ठीक है? यही
Yes.
ना सोलार एनर्जी जब हम लोग डेवलप करते हैं तो यही तो होता है। तो यहाँ से
Yes,
मान
sir.
लीजिए एक फोटोन आया, राइट? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये कौन आ रहा है?
Photon.
फोटोन आ रहा है, ठीक है। अब मान लेते हैं यहाँ से जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके साथ जो सटा हुआ है, मान लेते हैं वो 3 जूल से सटा हुआ है,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। और ये जो फोटोन आ रहा है, फोटोन आ रहा है तो अपने साथ मान लेते हैं कि 10 एनर्जी ला रहा है, 10 जूल,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और जैसे ही आके ये आकर इसको हिट करेगा, हिट,
Yes, sir.
ओके। हिट करने से कितना एनर्जी दे दिया बताओ? वो
10 joule.
10 जूल दे दिया। 10 जूल में कितना एनर्जी लग जाएगा इसको निकालने के लिए?
3 joule.
3 जूल, और इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएगा ऐसे करके।
तो रिमेनिंग एनर्जी का क्या होगा सर?
देखो ये निकल गया ना, पहले इजेक्ट हो
सर।
गया कि नहीं?
हाँ
हाँ सर।
ये है इजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन,
हाँ
ठीक है।
सर।
अच्छा, इजेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉन में अब काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ गया, देखिए ये खूब तेजी से चल रहा है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। तो इसके पास काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ गया। कितना काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाएगा बोलो?
और 7 जूल।
हाँ,
7 जूल,
डेफिनेटली कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी।
यस
Yes,
सर।
sir.
आपने 10 जूल दिया,
और 3 जूल यूज हो गया और 7 जूल
3
काइनेटिक
जूल was
एनर्जी में
used to eject the electron and remaining energy converted into kinetic energy,
Kinetic energy.
7 joule. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is only known as photo electric
Electric effect.
effect. Did you understand?
Yes,
Sir, where electricity is used?
I never told you that electricity is used. Who is this policeman?
Electron, sir.
Where is electricity is coming?
Yes, some sound is coming, sir.
Who told electricity is coming? Where I have used electricity word? ए बेटा, 1 मिनट, किसका नॉइज आ रहा है ये?
सर लिखता हूँ सर,
हाँ
लिखता हूँ सर।
हाँ, थोड़ा देखो। कौन है ये?
सर कर दिया।
देखिए, पहले तो 1 मिनट, वो बच्चा हाथ उठाओ जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोला है, वर्ड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ऐसे बात करो बेटा। कौन बोला उसको? हेलो
सर शायद 100 बोला।
बेटा, बात करो हमसे। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोला
सोमजीत
तेरा।
बोला सर।
मैंने नहीं बोला।
हाँ ठीक है,
सोमजीत
तो
बोला
फिर
सर।
मैंने भी नहीं बोला।
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। जिसने भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोला बेटा, कहाँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का वर्ड यूज किया मैंने? ये जो कौन बात कर रहा है यार, उसका ये
सर
दो ना
भेज
नंबर।
दिए सर, नाम भेज दिए।
हाँ सर, नाम भेज दिया, आप देखिए।
अच्छा
सर
ठीक
मैंने
है,
भी भेज दिया सर, देखिए।
ठीक है, ठीक है। अभी हम सॉल्व करते हैं मैटर। ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का तो मैंने नाम ही नहीं लिया बेटा। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके। हेलो, हाँ भी बोलो। हाँ कर देंगे। हाँ, उसका नंबर बोलो। रुको 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ ना बेटा, क्लास एंड कर रहे हैं, क्लाइमेक्स में है।
क्लाइमेक्स में।
हाँ और क्या, इलेक्ट्रॉन बात करते करते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कौन बता दिया मेरा एकदम। उसको सामने रहता ना तो उसको रसगुल्ला देते हम, चॉकलेट देते, कैडबरीज। एब्सेंट ऑफ माइंड उसको कहते हैं। ठीक है, एनी हाउ बढ़े आगे।
यस सर।
यस सर।
यस सर।
चलिए हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं, पहले तो बताओ कितना मिनट बाकी है?
3 मिनट।
2
3
मिनट।
मिनट।
हाँ
बाप
3
रे।
मिनट। 3 मिनट।
रुको। देखो अब हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं। ये फोटोन का एनर्जी कितना होता है बेटा?
10 जूल।
यहाँ तो 10
10
जूल
जूल।
है। इसको नॉर्मल वे में, जनरलाइज में हम h न्यू लिखें?
यस सर।
यस सर।
अच्छा, यहाँ जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, यहाँ जो देखो, उसके चलते मेरा भी दिमाग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में घुस गया। यहाँ जो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालने के लिए जो एनर्जी लगा, उसको हम ऐसा लिख दें, H न्यू डॉट, हेलो,
हाँ सर लिख दीजिए।
हाँ लिख
हाँ
देते हैं,
Yes,
क्योंकि
sir.
हाँ
सर।
ये H न्यू है और ये H न्यू डॉट है, दोनों को फिर सेम मत समझना।
यस सर यस।
Yes, sir.
और ये काइनेटिक एनर्जी को ऐसा लिखे, हाफ mv²।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो हम क्या एक इक्वेशन ऐसा लिख सकते हैं कि ये जो
HV minus HV not equals to
10 जूल जो लगा है, वो 3 जूल निकालने में लगा है और 7 जूल काइनेटिक एनर्जी कन्वर्ट करने में लग गया।
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते, H न्यू इज इक्वल टू H न्यू डॉट
Plus
प्लस
kinetic
हाफ
energy.
mv²।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये कौन है बताओ?
एनर्जी।
Energy of photon.
एनर्जी ऑफ फोटोन, ये कौन है?
एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन।
Used energy
एनर्जी यूज्ड टू इजेक्ट
to eject an electron.
एन इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट?
Yes.
इसका और एक नाम तो बोले स्टाइल में,
हाँ sir.
बोलिए सर।
थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी। ओके, हेलो,
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और एक नाम बोले,
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर।
वर्क फंक्शन।
Both are same thing.
ऑल आर सेम थिंग, these
सर
समझ गए?
थोड़ा लप कीजिए, लिखेंगे।
और क्यों सेम हुआ समझ
Yes,
में
sir.
आया बात?
Scroll up.
यस सर।
स्टाइल।
यस सर स्टाइल।
इतना बोलने से तो काम चल जाता है कि एनर्जी यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके, यूज्ड टू इजेक्ट एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो जब तक उसको
Sir, last
बोल के थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी बोल के थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन पैदा ना करे, वर्क फंक्शन बोल के थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन ना पैदा करे, तब तक उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा।
यस सर।
ठीक है, बढ़े आगे।
यस सर। यस सर।
Those words
Yes,
are
sir.
used to confuse.
हाँ,
हो गया।
और ये क्या चीज के लिए यूज हुआ?
Kinetic energy.
ये आपका काइनेटिक एनर्जी। समझ गए बात को?
हाँ, sir.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से हम लोग इसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। 3 जूल
Okay,
इलेक्ट्रॉन
sir.
निकालने के लिए लगा था, अगर हम 2 जूल का फोटोन भेजते तो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकलता?
शायद नहीं.
Sir.
नहीं
नहीं,
निकलता, शायद हटा दो, नहीं निकलता।
नहीं सर।
नहीं
यस सर।
निकलेगा सर।
ओके, और 3 जूल का
Yes, sir.
भेजते तो 3 जूल का
हाँ, sir.
निकलेगा.
तो कुछ
निकलता।
chances था।
निकल जाता, लेकिन उसमें काइनेटिक एनर्जी
Kinetic
नहीं
energy
होता,
zero.
नहीं होता।
जीरो होता।
तो वो वहीं पर पड़े रहता,
यस सर।
निकलता फिर वहीं
Yes,
पड़े
sir.
रहता।
यस सर।
सर थोड़ा सा डाउन कीजिए सर।
चलो, टाइम अप हो गया, अब इसको जारी रखेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में।
ओके सर।
Okay,
यस सर।
Sir, डाउट क्लास लेंगे ना?
थोड़ा सा नीचे कीजिए।
हाँ,
ठीक है, sir.
थोड़ा सा नीचे सर।
हाँ सर ठीक है सर, आप ठीक.
सर नीचे कीजिए सर, थोड़ा सा।
नीचे मतलब
last
किसको
वाला।
बोल रहे हो क्या?
हाँ हाँ
जल्दी करो, जल्दी।
हाँ। ऐसा लेने
सर
दो।
हो गया सर, हम जा सकते हैं.
हाँ, जाओ 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 जाओ, चलो बाय।
Bye,
Bye,
sir,
sir.
bye.
बाय सर।
टॉपिक
Bye,
समझ
sir.
में आया आज का?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
इंटरेस्टिंग।
इंटरेस्टिंग भी था और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट भी था, और ना बहुत लंबा लंबा थ्योरी सबको बहुत समराइज करके हम छुपाते हुए टॉपिक की तरफ आए हैं। ओके,
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
चलो बाय बाय।
bye sir, bye.
Bye, sir.
बाय सर।